I'm Nicole. Welcome to Red Panda Cooking. Today we'll be cooking one of Taiwan's popular dishes, the Rou Fang, braised pork rice. This savory braised meat that's bursting with flavor is one of Taiwan's most beloved comfort foods. I recommend putting the pork belly in the freezer for 2 hours so that it will become semi-frozen and easier to cut. Measurements for ingredients will be in the description box below. Peel the garlic and mince. For today's recipe, we'll be using much more onion than garlic. I prefer using shiitake mushroom, but today we'll be using bunashimiji because it was on sale. Oh, it's also wash-free. Remove the base and separate into half so that it's easier to cut. No need to cut it too small. It's been 2 hours and the semi-frozen pork belly will be easier to cut. Although it's easier, it's still pretty difficult for me, so I'm gonna be a little lazy and use some minced pork collar too. Heat the pot on very small fire. Don't use too much oil as lard will be rendered from the pork belly as we cook it on small fire. Cook the pork belly for 2 minutes before adding the garlic. Cook the garlic for 1 minute and then add the onions. Turn up the fire to medium and cook the onions for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then add the rice wine and chicken stock. I have a recipe for chicken stock, so you can check out the link in the iCard. Next, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and mushroom sauce. The star anise is just for flavor, so don't eat it. Add sugar and salt to taste. Mix well, then cover and cook for 30 minutes on small fire. After 30 minutes, add the minced pork collar. Remember to break them apart. Add the bunashimiji or shiitake mushrooms. Don't worry, as the mushrooms cook, liquid will be released and there will be sufficient liquid. Cover and cook for 1 more hour and it's done. Add the cornstarch mixture. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.